Welcome to watch today's Fresham. Once a sequence of dark, compartmentalized rooms, the house had been subjected to decades of ad hoc extensions that severed any meaningful connection to light or outdoor space. As with many homes in Melbourne's inner north, strict heritage overlays required the original cottage to be retained, with all new interventions positioned to the rear. For a client returning to Australia after years abroad, the brief was both simple and considered: to create a refined yet functional two-bedroom residence that balances openness with moments of quiet enclosure while allowing the client's art and collected objects to define the interiors. The new rear addition introduces a sense of generosity without overwhelming the modest scale of the site. The ground floor is anchored by a series of interconnected spaces, kitchen, dining and living, designed to foster effortless movement while maximizing natural light. A long skylight above the kitchen marks the transition from old to new, drawing daylight deep into the home. Sliding doors to the north and south extend the living space outward, creating a dialogue between interior and exterior.